Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about tags and groups grouping and tests in a robotic framework. How we can able to do it for tags and grouping. We can close this one and maximize the project and we need to create our test case. tc21.robot. Okay. Now here we can able to start our test case creation. The simple format we can able to go ahead, and now here it is not required for anything, like just I'm going to printing some console value and whether we can able to execute that tags or not for checking, and just I'm going to use for some consoles test cases. And here tc01 we have one registration page and tc02 login, and tc03 we have logout. Okay, and here I have the console register page, and here log to console login page, and I'm going to use for final one is logout page. Okay, these are the three scenarios I have. Okay, in this I need to use for some tags. How we can able to use means there is a one particular brace I'm going to use for tags. In this tags I can able to mention what kind of thing we need to, like a smoke testing, sanity or regression or something else. What kind of tag you want, you can able to mention there. Now I'm mentioning for sanity here. Same thing I'm going to do for tags, and space I'm going to mention for regression. Same thing I'm going to do for sanity here. So tags space sanity. Okay, these are three conditions and we can able to run it. If I mention the regression, then it need to be run regression one test case. If it's sanity means two test cases need to run. Okay, how we can able to run it, our case. Now can able to mention robot and our test case is 21. Then we can able to go ahead. Before that, CLR, and here I'm going to use for robot, and then I can able to hyphen include equal to sanity, because the tag is we mentioned for sanity. Then we can able to mention for directory, that is demo UI slash tc21.robot. Okay, I need to run for sanity only. Now I can, it is included only registration started. Registration logout is Okay, sanity, yeah, place, correct. Registration and logout pages. Registration, logout. Sanity only it is included. Okay. If I mention for regression only, if I mention regression here, the tag which I given the name, if I use regression, it will execute only for one page, which is login particular test case only. If I want to both, how we can able to both the cases, how we can able to mention means we can do it one way, that is hyphen I space means including regression space hyphen I space sanity, then it will include for three cases and it will execute for three cases. Okay, three cases it will execute. And if I want to use one exclude means sanity, I need to exclude hyphen e. Hyphen e means excluding for that particular test case. It will execute for only login page. Okay, this is a way we can able to tag, we can able to add, and we can able to add the grouping, and we can able to run our test cases one by one into a robotic framework. I hope you understand this class. If you like this way, please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and also a comment of this video. Thank you.